Hi, I'm Chris Rowe, and welcome back to Understanding Cow Elk Vocalizations and Communication. In this video, we'll cover the vocalization that all of us are probably all too familiar with, the alarm bark. Now, most of you probably know that the bark is used by an elk to announce danger, but what many don't know is that there are a couple of ways you can work to avoid getting barked at in the first place, and there are ways a hunter can work to disarm a bark once it's given. In this video, we'll talk about the bark, how to correctly reproduce it, and go over some examples of how it can actually be used in the field.